Hi, I'm Leo, your AI business guide. Traditional e-commerce content production is just too slow. Hiring designers and videographers, spending all day on communication and revisions, these costs are eating your profits. Today, I'll show you how lumeflowai disrupts business logic with two top-tier models, GPT Image 2 and Seedance 2.0. Just watch this. I select GPT Image 2, type a quick prompt, and within minutes, professional luxury posters are ready. From high-end watches to data-rich K-beauty promos or Japanese magazine layouts, it handles everything with incredible detail. It's not just about aesthetics, it's about extreme efficiency. No more waiting for days. Your design workflow is now a matter of minutes. Now, look at this workflow. We take one photo, generate a precise storyboard with GPT Image 2, and Seedance 2.0 brings it to life. See how the model locks onto every dance node? For studios, this replaces days of filming and editing. Now, your tutorials are frame perfect, and cutting costs by 90% is the new reality. Finally, the biggest headache: live stream content. Why spend thousands on hosts and studios? With Image 2's portrait logic and Seedance's physics, we generate hyper-realistic live clips like this. No real human needed. Your brand stays live 24/7 globally, solving the content crisis for good. It's the ultimate way to slash costs while maximizing your operational efficiency. lumeflowai isn't just a tool, it's your business accelerator. From static posters to dynamic streams, we solve the essential needs of the digital age. Start creating your business miracle with Lumeflow now.